Hey guys, before we get into today's recipe, I just want to let you know that this is in collaboration with another group of amazing creators here on YouTube. The theme of this collaboration was pie. Don't just think dessert because we do have a savory one in there as well. I will have their profiles linked in the description as well as a playlist to take you directly to their recipes. If you enjoy this today, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, give it a like, and enjoy. As always, thank you guys and have a wonderful day.